Hey everybody, wanted to talk to you all about a simple concept called the Rule of 72. It's a banker's rule, and it's one of those formulas that tells you how long it takes your money to double, given a certain interest rate. And so if you can get yourself familiarized with this concept, it will help you determine where you need to really save your money. So as I get ready to bring up my slide, I want to just kind of share with you some of the things that you want to remember when it comes to the Rule of 72. So give me a second and you should see my slide in about 3 seconds. So when you think about saving money, most people save money in banks, credit unions, uh, insurance companies, 401ks, so those different places historically have low rates of return. Okay. So the way the Rule of 72 works is when you take 72 and divide it by the amount of interest you're giving, that will determine how long it takes your money to double. So let's say, for example, let's take a bank. Okay, banks typically, and you can call your credit union, you can call your bank. Those institutions generally give maybe 0.02, maybe 0.1, 0.2% interest, but it's typically below 1%. Okay, and for example, you can get 1%, but it'd have to be like a CD, and then you would have to lock it in for a year, 2 years, or 3 years. So let's say you're getting 1%. Okay. So if you take 72 and divide it by 1, it shows you that it takes 72 years for your money to double. Okay. So as you can see, it takes quite a bit of time for your money to double when you're getting 1% interest. Now, let's say you're getting 6% in a pension plan or some type of retirement. 72 divided by 6 is 12 years. So it shows you that it takes 12 years for your money to double. Okay. And so let's move to what we call mutual funds. Mutual funds historically has given investors between 10 to 12% interest over an extended period of time. So if you take 72 and divide it by 12, it shows you that it takes 6 years for your money to grow. Okay. Now let's bring it home. Let's make believe you were in a position to do $50 a month, and you did that from age 30 to age 65. So let's say 35 years. All right. So if you did it in an account that was giving you about 1% interest, you would have close to over 25,000 in that particular account after 35 years. If you put it where you can get 6%, you'll have about almost 72,000 in that particular account. But if you can find a mutual fund that can average you 12% interest, look at what the returns could possibly be. You could get around 278,000 with that same $50 a month over a 35-year period. Okay. So this is one of the things that I really wanted to take some time and educate you on. Always remember the Rule of 72 is a very powerful formula that determines how long it takes your money to double. Until next time, thank y'all so much. Have a blessed day.